In this video, we will see how we can scrape player data from transfermarkt.com. So let me first load the page at transfermarkt.com, which lets the players playing in a league. And I've gone to the top goal scorers in the La Liga for 2025-26. Now there are various ways in which you can get player listings in this website. You can go to statistics or competitions, and I've gone to competitions La Liga and top goal scorers for 2025-26. Now let's see how we can scrape player stats for all the listed players from multiple pages. So after loading the page in WebHarvy, all you have to do is start configuration, and then you can just click and select the data which you need. We'll start with pagination. We'll click on the link to load the next page and set it as the next page link, so that the data which we select will be extracted from all pages. And we can straight away go to the first player and get the name. You can see that all the subsequent players are automatically extracted. You can also get the position. We'll try to get maximum details from the listings page itself before we go to each player details. So this is the age, goal scored, and now let's open the player link using the follow this link option. And once the page is loaded, you can select additional data. We'll start with the club, and you can get all these details like name in home country, date of birth. I'm using the capture following text option to get the data following heading text, irrespective of the position of this data on the page. So I can select all the required details in this fashion from the page. You can also click and select the data like the player image. You can either download the image or capture the image URL. So once you can also get this transfer fee. And once you have selected all the required details, you can just stop configuration and start mine. This is where the data extraction really happens. You can specify the number of pages to mine, or just select mine all pages and start. So WebHarvy will load the same page and will pull the data which we selected from multiple pages, and it will also follow each of the player links to get additional data. And once mining is complete, you can export the data by clicking the export button. The data can be exported to a file or to a database. Various file formats and databases are supported. You can also schedule this for periodic operation like weekly or monthly. And there is a trial version available at website webharvy.com. In case you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@webharvy.com or in reply to the comments in this video. Thank you.